Good morning and welcome to Gary's Travels and Adventures. I've been told when I'm cutting rocks that people want me to be interactive, and so here we go. I'm gonna cut a piece of rhyolite using my 7-inch towel saw and film from the back instead of the side because people think I'm gonna cut my fingers, and usually my hands are pretty far away from the saw. But also with a diamond blade, you can touch it and it doesn't cut you. So let me go ahead and cut this and show you what the inside looks like. Oh, and always wear your safety glasses.